Welcome to this Broadcom course on the installation and configuration of Automation AI. In this video, we show how to encrypt all passwords contained in application.properties so that they aren't readable. The application.properties file includes a section for password encryption. By enabling it, we encrypt all clear passwords. A string of characters preceded by the term cipher in curly brackets is substituted to the password. Set the enabled setting to true. It uses a key contained in the file properties.key found in the directory. The last line has candidates. For passwords you do not want to encrypt, simply add a comment space before it. In our example, we won't encrypt the database password. Restart Automation AI to activate the function. Implement the changes we mentioned without encrypting the database password. This is the password to the SSL private key. We want to keep this encrypted. This is the database password. We want to keep this clear. Start Automation AI and check the file.